Hey folks, welcome back to the shop. Well, I've been working on the CNC here, trying to get my router set up. I had to go and get some different collets to hold the bits I got. I got those, and I've got the router ready to go. The CNC is on. You might be able to hear it buzzing in the background. I've never cut anything with this yet, so this is going to be me for the first time trying to run a program with the router. So I figure, well, you know what, I better record this in case something goes horribly wrong. Now I've got the router set at its home position. Got a piece of board here. I don't have a spoil board or anything on, but I'm just going to do a carve on this and see how it turns out. Might break a bit. I'll have to be ready on the power button just to kill it in case something goes wrong. So let's fire this up, and sorry about the noise. Got the card inserted. I know you can't see anything, but I got a print from SD. Where is it? There's the program. So before I run the program, I'm going to raise up the router 1 millimeter so I can turn it on. I'm going to have to set this up to power on the router using the fan output of this control board. There. Now I can power it on, make some noise, and hopefully make some dust. Watch your ears, folks. Every pass is 1 millimeter deeper. I have a long ways to go learning this cam stuff. Alright, I'm going to clean this up and see how it turned out, and I'll bring you right back. Alright, I got it off the machine. I was worried it would make a lot of dust, but it wasn't too bad. Turned out good. This especially, this was 2 passes, and there was a little bit of it was an inside and outside pass, and it left the middle intact, so I had to bust that loose a bit, but otherwise it seems like, sorry, that's probably upside down. This is the right way up. It turned out good. So I'm happy with it. I'll have to measure, see if the depth is 3 millimeters like I said. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So it's going to be a long journey to figure out the rest of this. So stay tuned for more, and I'll be doing some more cutting. Maybe I'll get some acrylic, do some of that. But first I got to learn the cam stuff a little bit. I'm going to learn the Fusion 360 cam portion, because the Estel cam I'm using is pretty basic, and you have to pay for it, and I already have Fusion 360, so I figure I might as well use it. So stay tuned, and until next time, take care and talk to you later.